How to fix Instagram keep stopping error on Android. Action block problem solve. Hello guys, welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Instagram keep stopping error problem. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get the more informative videos every day. So let's get started. So guys, what you need to do, make sure your internet connection is well, okay and good. And the second thing what you can do here is you have to go to your phone settings. After you have to go to your phone settings, and then here you have to scroll down and go to app management. So after going to app management, simply go to your app list with the apps which has been installed on your phone. This is the app list, so you have to simply search for Instagram here. So let me just search from the upper side search bar. So here you can see this is the Instagram. So what you need to do, you can see a force stop button. Simply click on the force stop button and then you have to stop the force. Now you can see here storage usage. Simply click on the storage usage and then you have to click on clear data, and then you have to clear all the data and also the cache. So after this, what you have to do, you can see here permission button. Again, simply click on this permission button and then you have to allow all the permission. So as I've already allowed it to permission, now go back and you can check it out your Instagram whether it is working or not. If it is not working, again it is showing the error, then what you need to do here, you have to uninstall the application and then reinstall it, and then you can try it out. It might work for you. So guys, the next thing, I'm gonna show you the action block. So why does actually action block occur? So let me just show you. This is my Instagram. So let me just go to one of the site here. Let me just show you. This is the site. Let me just search for this. Now you can see here this is one feed. So let me just show you how action block does work. So let me just show you. I have posted a maximum number of comments. Let me just show you. If you spam like this, let me just show you. You can see here, try again later, we limit. You can see here this type of problem occurs. So what you have to do, you have to simply tap it once again. You can see here you have to screenshot this and then click on report a problem. Now thanks for reporting a problem. Just go back and it's done. So it will automatically recover by 24 hours. And also if it doesn't work, then what you need to do, you have to go back to your phone settings. After going to phone settings, you have to go to about phone or software updates option, and then you have to check whether your phone is asking for an update or not. If your phone is asking like this update, then you have to update your phone, and then after updating your phone, you have to restart your phone and reopen the application. I hope this video will absolutely help you out for your problem. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.